hindi na nakapagtimpi ang aktres na si Andy Eigenman matapos makatanggap ng mga unsolicited comment mula sa ilang netizens na sinasabing madungis daw tingnan ang kanyang mga anak. Sa Instagram stories naglabas ng matapang na sagot si Andy. Aniya, the amount of people who comment about my kids looking madungis are most likely the same type of people who have children stuck on their iPads all day, eating fast, junk food for all 3 meal times, and probably more, and then throw huge fits whenever things don't go their way. Dagdag pa niya, no parent is perfect, but I'd rather mine be messy from living fully, than clean from sitting still and being disconnected from it. Marami namang netizens at kapwa magulang ang nagbigay ng suporta kay Andy, at sumang-ayon na mas mahalagang hayaan ang mga bata na matutong mag-enjoy sa simpleng pamumuhay. Anila, who said these kids are dirty? They look very clean to me. They also look healthy, strong, and very happy. They are clearly well taken care of. Iba pa rin kapag sa probinsya ka lumaki dahil siguradong hitik sa saya ang kabataan mo. So lucky kids yung ma-experience nyo yung ganyang life, it's a treasure. Nowadays ang mga bata hatid sundo na sa bahay at hindi na nakakapaglaro sa labas.